Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if voicemail notification won't go away on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search notifications from here. For example, this is notifications. Click on storage and clear cache notifications. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management, click on reset all settings, enter phone pin. You will see, again click on reset, your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.